So number 2 reads $21 for 7 books. So the labels, again, you're going to look at the labels and you're going to think about where you want to look for 1 book or $1. So in this case, cost will be on the top. So we're going to go ahead and put dollars on the top. And I'm going to put books on the bottom. So I'm copying the same words that it has here. I'm not changing it, I'm not moving it around, I'm just copying the same words. So it's $21 and you have 7 books. So when we're looking at that dollars and books, we're looking at 21 and 7. So 21, I want to know how much 1 book is going to be. So I want to divide that by 7, which would be 1. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. So that means that there's going to be $3 for each book. So I'm putting the decimal in the zeros because that's how we write dollars. So make sure you're doing that too. And write this down on number 2 of your assignment.